Let's make slime. This simple recipe uses 3 ingredients: glue, salt, and water. We're going to pour 1 cup of water into a microwavable dish. And now you're going to take 1 cup of clear Elmer's glue or any type of PVA glue. Now this step is optional, but I love to add a little bit of food coloring to just make the slime a fun color to play with. I'm just using a skewer, and you don't need very much. Just add a tad and you'll see that it's going to color the water, and keep adding it until you get what you like. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now we're going to incorporate those ingredients together, and you're going to notice as you're stirring that it's going to start to go clumpy, and that's what we want it to do. Keep stirring and incorporate that salt into that glue really well. Now we're going to take it and put it in our microwave for 2 minutes. And this is what it looks like after being in the microwave for 2 minutes. The water has separated from the glue and the salt, and we are starting to create that slime. Now we're going to take another bowl and a strainer, and we're going to put that slime mixture into the strainer. We want to remove all of that water. Keep stirring with a fork to remove as much water as you can from this mixture. And we're almost done making some safe and fun slime. This recipe uses only non-toxic ingredients, so you can play with it without any worries. Now we're going to get into this with our hands and just start squishing out even more water. This is a great recipe to make with your kids too. They'll have lots of fun squishing the water out of this and feeling it turn into slime so quickly. You can make your slime even more fun by adding glitter or scented oils. Just add a little bit at a time and mix it in until you're happy with the result. And there we have homemade slime with simple ingredients that you probably already have in your craft room or at home. So get the kids involved and try this recipe today. After you finish playing with it, store in an airtight container and it'll last a long time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we're going to see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you're going to really love either of these next 2. Take care.